In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create high-converting landing pages with MailerLite. If you want to strengthen your email marketing or simply build a sleek page that turns visitors into subscribers, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the process together, keep it simple, and I'll share clarity tips along the way so you get a page that looks great and performs even better. Let's get started. Once you're logged into your MailerLite account, head to the Sites section. This is the hub for landing pages. Look for the Create button and click it to start a brand new page. Think of this as opening a fresh canvas where all the building blocks will come together. After selecting Create, you'll be prompted to give your site a name. Choose something clear and relevant, like the campaign or offer it supports, so you can recognize it at a glance later. A good internal name saves confusion when you're juggling multiple projects. When you're done, click Save and Continue. Next, you'll land on a screen that asks about groups. If you already have a group set up, simply click Continue. If not, you can create a group here. A group is just a way to organize the subscribers who opt in through this page, keeping your contacts neat and ready for targeted emails. Pick a group name that aligns with your offer to stay organized. Now for the fun part, templates. MailerLite offers a wide range of designs for different goals, from lead capture to event signups and product promotions. Browse through and look for a layout that suits your message and audience. Pay attention to structure, hero section, benefits, and form placement so you're not fighting the design. Once one feels right, click Choose to start customizing. This is where you make the landing page your own. Update headlines to clearly communicate your value, keep your message concise, and make sure your call to action stands out. Replace any placeholder images with visuals that reflect your brand or product. Adjust colors and fonts to match your style so everything feels consistent. Keep forms simple, asking only for what you need because fewer fields usually means higher conversions. As you tweak spacing and layout, aim for clean sections and plenty of white space to guide the eye. When everything looks the way you want, click Done Editing. That's your cue that the design is set and ready for your next steps within MailerLite. And that's it. You've created a focused, conversion-ready landing page using MailerLite. Keep these steps in mind for your next project, and you'll see how quickly you can build pages that perform. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials.